Ever wondered why orchids captivate us so irresistibly? The enchanting world of orchids is as diverse as it is beautiful, with a mesmerizing variety of species, each boasting unique characteristics. From the delicate, moth-like blooms of the Phalaenopsis to the vibrant hues and intricate patterns of the Cattleya, Dendrobium, Oncidium, and Vanda orchids. Each species has its own charm that contributes to the allure of this diverse plant family. These flowers not only mesmerize us with their exotic beauty, but also challenge us with their unique growing requirements. Their captivating colors, intriguing growth habits, and the precision needed for their care and cultivation all play a part in the orchid enigma. But there's more to this floral puzzle than meets the eye. The tale of orchids is steeped in history, symbolism, and cultural significance. As we delve into the history of orchids, let's unravel the mystery of their timeless appeal. Orchids have a history that stretches back millions of years. In fact, the first fossil evidence of orchids dates back to the time of the dinosaurs, some 80 to 100 million years ago. This ancient flower, with its unique structure and captivating beauty, has since evolved and diversified into over 25,000 species, spread across every corner of the globe. So, how did orchids manage to achieve such widespread distribution and diversity? The secret lies in their remarkable adaptability and resilience. Orchids have evolved to survive and thrive in a wide range of environments, from the humid rainforests of the tropics to the cooler climes of the Himalayas, and even the arid deserts of Australia. One fascinating aspect of orchid evolution is their intricate relationship with pollinators. Orchids have developed complex mechanisms to attract and deceive their pollinators, often mimicking the scent, shape, and color of insects or birds. This symbiotic relationship has not only ensured the survival of orchids, but also contributed to their diverse forms and colors. The ancient origins of orchids are also reflected in their wide distribution. The orchid family, or Orchidaceae, is one of the two largest families of flowering plants, with species found in every part of the world except Antarctica. From the delicate slipper orchids of Asia to the vibrant Cattleyas of South America and the exotic Dendrobiums of Australia, orchids have truly conquered the world with their beauty and diversity. However, despite their ancient origins and widespread presence, orchids continue to be shrouded in mystery. Their complex life cycle, unique pollination strategies, and cryptic nature have made them a subject of fascination and study for botanists and enthusiasts alike. As we delve deeper into the world of orchids, we begin to unravel the secrets of these ancient flowers, gaining a deeper appreciation of their beauty, diversity, and resilience. These ancient flowers have evolved into a dazzling array of species, each with its own story to tell. As we journey through the fascinating world of orchids, let's explore these stories and discover the unique characteristics, vibrant colors, and captivating beauty of these extraordinary flowers. Orchids have been deeply intertwined with human cultures and traditions. These remarkable flowers have not only captured our aesthetic appreciation, but have also assumed profound symbolic meanings and roles in different cultural practices across the globe. In the ancient Greek civilization, orchids were associated with virility. The Greeks believed that if a father consumed large new orchid tubers, the child would be a boy. If the mother ate small tubers, she would give birth to a girl. In Victorian England, orchids were a symbol of luxury and elegance, a status symbol for the elite. Collecting and displaying exotic orchids was a way to showcase wealth and social standing. The rarer the orchid, the more prestige it held. Moving to the east, in China, orchids are revered as a symbol of integrity, elegance, and friendship. Chinese literature and art are replete with orchid motifs, reflecting the plant's esteemed status in the society. In Japanese culture, orchids, particularly the Cattleya genus, are associated with love and beauty. They are often used in bridal bouquets and decorative arrangements for weddings and other celebrations. In the Mayan culture of Central America, the black orchid was used in traditional medicine and was also a symbol of power and strength. In various parts of Africa, orchids have been used for their medicinal properties. For example, the tubers of certain orchid species are used to make salep, a nutritious food and drink. In Australia, orchids hold spiritual significance for the indigenous people. Certain species are used in rituals and ceremonies, while others are valued for their therapeutic properties. From the icy regions of the Arctic to the tropical rainforests of South America, orchids have found their way into the folklore, art, and hearts of people everywhere. They have been celebrated in poetry and music, depicted in paintings and sculptures, and have even inspired architectural designs. Their diverse forms, vibrant colors, and exotic fragrances have made them a universal symbol of love, beauty, strength, and luxury. Each culture has its unique interpretation of the orchid, often reflecting the values and aspirations of the people. From symbolizing love and beauty to being used in traditional medicine, orchids have played diverse roles in human history. The 19th century saw a wave of Orchid Mania sweep across Europe. This was a time when the allure of orchids reached fever pitch, causing a frenzy amongst the elite and horticulturists alike. Orchids, with their exotic beauty, became a symbol of status and wealth. The more unusual the species, the higher the prestige. This obsession fueled a series of daring expeditions into the unexplored territories of the world, from the dense jungles of South America to the misty mountains of Asia. Botanists and orchid hunters embarked on perilous journeys, braving harsh conditions and hostile wildlife, all in pursuit of these captivating flowers. Their discoveries introduced a plethora of previously unknown orchid species to the world, each more enchanting than the last. But it wasn't just about the thrill of discovery. The Orchid Mania also had a profound impact on horticulture. Orchid cultivation was seen as a challenge, a complex puzzle to unravel. It was a time of experimentation and innovation, of pushing the boundaries of what was possible. The delicate nature of orchids, their specific growing requirements, and their sensitivity to environmental changes forced cultivators to think outside the box and devise new techniques and tools. This period also marked the beginning of orchid hybridization, a practice that would forever change the face of orchid cultivation. Breeders began cross-pollinating different orchid species, creating hybrids with unique colors, patterns, and forms. These hybrids were not only more vibrant and varied, but also more robust and easier to grow, making orchids accessible to a larger audience. The Orchid Mania might have been a product of its time, driven by the fascination with the exotic and the thrill of the new. However, its legacy extends far beyond the 19th century. It laid the foundation for modern orchid cultivation and set the stage for the global appreciation of these spectacular flowers. The Orchid Mania not only introduced us to new orchid species, but also revolutionized the way we grow these exotic beauties. In the modern era, orchids continue to fascinate us. The allure of these exotic flowers has not waned, but rather intensified. Today, they hold a prominent place in the world of horticulture, enchanting us with their stunning blooms and captivating us with their intricate growth patterns. From the casual gardener to the professional horticulturist, many find solace and satisfaction in the cultivation of these splendid plants. Orchids have also found their way into our homes, brightening up living spaces with their vibrant colors and unique shapes. The popularity of orchids as household plants has surged in recent years, not only for their aesthetic appeal, but also for their versatility and resilience. With the right care and conditions, orchids can bloom year after year, bringing a touch of nature's beauty into our everyday lives. Modern cultivation techniques have played a significant role in making orchids more accessible to the general public. Advances in tissue culture technology, for instance, have enabled the mass production of orchids, making them a common sight in garden centers and homes around the world. These techniques have also facilitated the creation of new and exciting orchid hybrids, expanding the family of orchids with varieties that boast extraordinary colors, patterns, and fragrances. But while we revel in the beauty of orchids, it is crucial not to overlook the ongoing efforts in orchid conservation. Many species of orchids are under threat due to habitat loss and illegal trade. Conservationists, scientists, and orchid enthusiasts alike are working tirelessly to protect these precious plants, preserving their natural habitats and propagating endangered species in controlled environments. These endeavors not only safeguard the future of orchids, but also serve as a stark reminder of our responsibility towards the environment. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of orchids, they remain a symbol of beauty, sophistication, and diversity. From their humble beginnings in the wild to their revered status in modern society, orchids continue to captivate, inspire, and remind us of the wonders of nature. In the grand tapestry of life, they are indeed a testament to the power of growth, adaptation, and survival. Orchids have a rich and fascinating history that mirrors our own fascination with them. These exotic blooms have evolved over millions of years, captivating us with their unique beauty and diversity. From the ancient times when orchids were shrouded in myth and mystery, They've held a special allure across different cultures and traditions, symbolizing love, beauty, and elegance. Then came the period of Orchid Mania, when the passion for these flowers reached a fever pitch, sparking intrepid quests and inspiring stunning works of art. And now, in the modern era, orchids continue to enchant us, gracing our homes and gardens, influencing fashion and design, and even prompting conservation efforts to protect their future. As we explore the enchanting world of orchids, we not only learn about these extraordinary flowers, but also about our enduring fascination with them.